Lemongrass, with its vibrant citrusy aroma, hails from the warm tropics of Southeast Asia. This fragrant herb, scientifically known as Cymbopogon, boasts a rich history intertwined with ancient cultures and traditional practices. For centuries, lemongrass has been a staple in Southeast Asian cuisine, adding a unique flavor dimension to countless dishes. Beyond its culinary uses, lemongrass holds a place of honor in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda. Ancient healers recognized its therapeutic properties, using it to alleviate various ailments. From soothing digestive discomfort to relieving headaches, lemongrass has been a trusted natural remedy for generations. Its refreshing scent, reminiscent of lemon but with a subtler, earthier note, has also made it a favorite in perfumery and aromatherapy. Whether enjoyed in a soothing cup of tea or diffused into the air, the aroma of lemongrass is known to uplift the mood and promote a sense of calm. Lemongrass is more than just a flavor enhancer, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, this herb is a natural way to boost your well-being. One of its most notable benefits is its ability to aid digestion. The calming properties of lemongrass can help soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating and relieve indigestion. It's also a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and promote kidney health. If you're battling a cold or flu, lemongrass can be your ally. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties can help fight infections and boost your immune system. Furthermore, lemongrass possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling. This makes it beneficial for those with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Lemongrass's culinary versatility shines in both sweet and savory dishes. Its unique flavor profile adds a zesty, citrusy punch to soups, curries, stir-fries, and marinades. When using fresh lemongrass, it's important to note that only the tender white bulb at the base is edible. The tough outer layers should be discarded or used to infuse flavor into broths and soups. To prepare lemongrass for cooking, simply trim off the root end and the tough outer leaves. Then, bruise the stalk with the back of a knife to release its flavor. You can then slice it thinly, chop it finely, or leave it whole to infuse your dish with its aromatic essence. Lemongrass pairs beautifully with coconut milk, ginger, garlic, chili, and cilantro. It's a staple ingredient in Thai and Vietnamese cuisine, featuring prominently in dishes like tom yum soup and lemongrass chicken. Growing your own lemongrass at home is surprisingly easy. This tropical herb thrives in warm, sunny conditions and well-drained soil. You can start lemongrass from seeds, but it's easier to propagate it from store-bought stalks. Simply select fresh, firm lemongrass stalks with green tops and white bases. Trim the tops to about 6 inches and place the bases in a jar of water, ensuring that the water covers at least an inch of the stalk. Place the jar in a sunny spot and change the water every other day. Within a week or two, you'll notice roots starting to sprout. Once the roots are about an inch long, you can plant the lemongrass in pots or directly into your garden bed. Choose a spot with full sun and well-drained soil. Water regularly, especially during dry periods, and fertilize every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown lemongrass all season long.